Alright, what's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do a little quick cold start with so far on my car. What I've done with the exhaust is I've done I took out the test pipes because I thought it was too loud. So I threw in a set of high flow cats instead, and then I have my wider diameter wide pipe and a muffler delete, axle back essentially. So those are the three things that I've done to my exhaust so far. These have all been eBay parts, so pretty much an exhaust on a budget. And I think the high flow cats are a brand, 1320, by a company called 1320, and that's just about it as far as that goes. So I'm gonna do a little quick cold start on all these parts, and so that y'all could hear what the car sounds like now after the fact, since I've done all these exhaust mods. Here we go. So yep, those are the exhaust mods. That's what it sounds like, and I have to change out my damn license plate. Yeah, flickering. Sometimes the left one flickers, sometimes the right one flickers. I may have to look for another like brand or something. I bought them off Amazon, but that annoys the hell out of me when I'm backing up, especially at night or when it's dark. But anyways, that's what it sounds like. I'll do a quick walk around, show off the car, all the mods that I've done so far, cosmetic mods, stuff like that, interior, cosmetic mods, and there's still much more to come. I just ordered a carbon fiber steering wheel from Jalisco's Carbon Fiber, great company, and they have a lot of products for our Infinity cars, you know, the G's, the Q's, and one of my last mods, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's the M style, the TCM style, PSM style, carbon fiber wing in the back, the trunk wing. But I'll do a quick walk around in the next video and show off all these mods that I've done so far to my car, and I'll do a mod list. So yeah, that's the video, that's the exhaust.